What if I told you that the most important piece of gear in your bag could be the one that weighs less than your morning coffee? Welcome back to Pro Capture Collective. If you are serious about pushing the boundaries of your landscape, architecture, or astrophotography, you know that wide usually means heavy and bulky. But today, we are proving that rule wrong. Say hello to the brand new Tamron 12-20mm F2.8. This isn't just the widest full-frame zoom Tamron has ever made for the Sony E-mount, it's a complete reimagining of what a professional ultra-wide lens can be. Usually, when you see a lens with a constant f/2.8 aperture at 12mm, you expect a piece of glass that feels like a brick. This is different. We're talking about a lens that is just 4.7 inches long and weighs a mere 20.2 ounces. For the amount of glass inside, this feels almost impossibly compact. But don't let the small size fool you, this is a workhorse. Let's get hands-on and break down exactly why this is the new must-have for wide-angle shooters. The build quality and ergonomics. Alright, first impressions matter. Right out of the box, Tamron has completely updated their design language. This isn't the same old texture you're used to. The new scratch-resistant coating on the barrel feels premium, it gives you that confidence when you're shooting in harsh environments. The mechanics feel superb. The dampening on both the zoom and focus rings is silky smooth, no slop, just precise, professional control. And for you working shooters, the control layout is a dream. You've got a dedicated AF/MF switch right at your fingertips, alongside a clever MF lock switch. You can focus precisely and lock it, so you don't accidentally shift focus during a long exposure or a video clip. Need to switch between photo and video quickly? The declick switch on the aperture ring lets you toggle between that tactile click for stills and a silent, smooth rotation for video work. We also have a zoom lock switch to keep the lens locked at its shortest length when you're moving between locations. And for E-mount shooters, there's even an iris lock switch to protect the aperture ring from accidental bumps. It's clear Tamron thought of the professional's workflow here. The heart, performance and optics. Now, we're getting to the good stuff. What makes this lens a game-changer isn't just the weight, it's the glass. Powering the autofocus is Tamron's top-tier VXD linear motor. It's fast, it's near-silent, and it locks onto subjects with ridiculous accuracy, essential for tracking moving subjects even at f/2.8. But what about the sharpness? This lens uses a complex arrangement of XGM, expanded glass molded aspherical, and GM elements. In plain English, we're talking edge-to-edge sharpness that eliminates peripheral blurring. We're talking color fringing, gone. Chromatic aberration, gone. The result is true-to-life colors and crisp detail that makes your 40+ megapixel sensors sing. You also get a 12-blade circular aperture. Why does that matter? It produces beautiful, smooth bokeh in the out-of-focus areas, and when you stop down, the starbursts are simply stunning, perfect for cityscapes at night. Plus, it's weather-sealed with a fluorine coating on the front element. Dust and moisture are no match for this lens, and the coating helps repel dirt and water, making cleaning a breeze. The smart features, Tamron Lens Utility. Alright, this is where it gets wild. Yes, the lens is built like a tank, but it's also a computer. On the side, you'll find a USB-C port. You probably think it's just for firmware updates. That's old news. We're talking about the Tamron Lens Utility. Now, if you want to go wireless, you plug in the Tamron Link adapter via USB-C, pair it, and your phone becomes the brain of the lens. Let's jump into the app for a sec. The first thing you notice is that you can customize 3 different focus modes right on the barrel. But the real magic? The digital follow focus. We set up a quick shot on this table. We selected point A on these vibrant leaves, and point B on the brick wall behind them. Now, through the app, we can program the transition speed and easing between those points. Watch this, we dialed in a 3-second transition with a smooth ease. The lens racked focus perfectly, giving us a cinematic pull shift that you'd normally need a dedicated focus pulling rig for, without having to touch the lens. Now, for a quick transition, we set it to 0.1 seconds y. Th a linear curve. Bam, instant focus whip. The control is phenomenal. Imagine the possibilities. You're doing a time-lapse of the Milky Way. You can set focus points to shift over time for a focus pull during the lap. Single shooter trying to film yourself? You can set the lens to pull focus from your face to the background without a second shooter. It is, honestly, revolutionizing how we interact with glass. The final verdict. There is so much more to this lens. We haven't even touched on the additional ring stoppers or the astrophotography functions, but you get the point. The Tamron 12-20mm F2.8 is a paradigm shift. It's a breathtaking blend of traditional precision engineering and futuristic digital control. Tamron has managed to pack a huge punch into the smallest possible footprint, retaining that classic, bang-for-your-buck quality that we love from them. If you've been looking for a reason to go ultra-wide, this is it. Let us know in the comments, would you use the digital focus feature for video or for time-lapse? We want to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Thanks for hanging out with us on Pro Capture Collective. We'll see you in the next one.